Here are 5 unique ways to use the ZHIYUN Crane 4 to make your shots stand out, and all of them are super easy to achieve. The first one is my favorite. Hyperlapse is using the lock mode. Put the Crane 4 in lock mode so that the gimbal stays in place no matter how you twist it. Turn on interval shooting on your camera so that it takes a picture every 2 to 3 seconds, and turn down your shutter speed to around 1/4, 1/10 or 1/20th to get the motion blur as you're moving. Frame your shot in a way that you have a visible foreground and a background object, and simply start slowly and carefully walking in any direction you want. And once you have your sequence of images, just add warp stabilizer to it and you'll get awesome shots like these. Low-angle POV reveal shot. Man, I'm so good with the names. This one has almost become like a signature shot of mine. By using the sling handle on the Crane 4, you can achieve low-angle shots just a few centimeters off the ground, which will make everything look way bigger and dynamic than it actually is. And by switching to the POV mode, you can now also control the roll axes on your gimbal. Start your shot by focusing on the ground to hide your subject, and as you're moving towards them, slowly twist the gimbal to one of your sides and tilt it up to reveal your subject for an epic reveal shot. Crane vertigo shot. This one is super simple. The new stabilization algorithm on the Crane 4 allows you to get buttery smooth shots even when running. And to make these shots look even more dramatic, we can add a vertigo effect by adding a simple zoom in or zoom out animations. The trick is this. If you are approaching your subject in the shot, you need to add a zoom out animation. But if you're walking away from your subject, then add a zoom in animation. As easy as that. The new built-in lights on the Crane 4 are so powerful that you can literally change the atmosphere of the whole shot. By turning it on and playing with different temperatures, you can literally go from an unusable shot to images like these. You're welcome. And last but not least, balancing your whole handheld rig on the Crane 4. When I get to a location, I often have to choose whether to go handheld or use a gimbal, because I have a fully rigged out handheld setup for my Sony a7S III. However, with the Crane 4, I can now balance the whole rig with ease, and with a quick switch of a button, I can go handheld. And a bonus tip, you can actually switch lenses on your camera without taking it off from the gimbal whilst it's turned on. The Crane 4 motors are so strong and powerful that it will handle the stress with ease and won't even start shaking. Hopefully some of these tips and tricks shocked some of you as much as it did me when I first tried them, and now all that's left for you guys to do is to go out and get some dope shots.